Okay, so while I was at my daughter Laura's house in North Carolina, she nominated me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So, considering the fact that I have to go back to work tomorrow, and we just got back to Minnesota today, I have a little bit of catching up to do. So, I'm going to multitask. I'm going to do the challenge, I'm going to donate the money, too. I'm going to wear my shorts for the very first time this summer, and I'm going to enjoy the lake that I have not been able to do, all at the same time. Alright, here goes. This is the way you do an ice bucket challenge. A whole bucket of ice goes like this! Alright, Paul Weehee, Mike Lindstrom, my son Steve, and Bart, if you can get enough ice over there, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, we'll wait till you get home. Alright? It's up to you. $100 or ice on your head. See you later.